Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Kate, and in today's video we are doing our nails today. We are just doing like a little random set. I've been wanting to try this marble nail, so y'all will see like my trial and error with this set. I'm still kind of new to press-ons, but you know, I feel like I've improved on my technique. So today y'all will see how I do with these marble nails. Hopefully y'all like them because I love them. And before we get into the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm posting new videos. And let's get into it. So right now, as y'all can see, I'm buffing the nails, and this is kind of crucial step, at least for me when I'm doing my press-ons, because when I first did my press-ons, I was putting on the gel polish and I saw that it started like, I think wrinkling or just kind of like peeling off, and I didn't know what it was until like I looked it up, and they said to buff the nails before you apply the polish so the polish will have something to adhere to. And ever since I started buffing my nails, I haven't had any problems with wrinkling or not curing or anything like that. So if you guys are having that problem as well, try buffing your nails before you apply your gel polish. And also, if that doesn't work, on top of buffing your nails, add a base coat, either one from the same line of gel polishes that you use, or just any base coat that you have lying around. But I do recommend you using a base gel from the same brand of gel polishes that you use. It's also adds strength to the nail, so if you have a problem with like your nails being flimsy or something, this also adds strength without actually taking away from the design of the nail. And now I'm going in with my nail file and I'm sharpening the edges of the press-ons, because it do have like this little weird tip on the end. If you ever done press-ons, and y'all know what I'm talking about or have seen them, but it's like a little, I don't know, it's like a little tip on the end. I just file it down to give it like a sharp, clean edge. And then after this, we're gonna go in with the base coat. All right, now I'm going in with kind of a thin layer of base coat, and I'm gonna apply that to each nail. After I apply it to this set right here, I'm gonna put it in the UV lamp. If y'all want to know where I got my UV lamp from, well, what UV lamp I have, I can link it. I actually just got this UV lamp, and I like it so far. Yeah, I feel like it cures a lot better than my other one. And while that other one is curing, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a base coat to the next set. And I do apply 2 layers of base coat because I just wanted a little bit more strength in the nails and for the design that I'm kind of going for. So yeah. And for me, I haven't really found that applying my gel polish like this have made the nails bulkier. I know it made for some, but it also depends on how thick of a layer you go on with. So right now I was figuring out basically what I wanted to do with these nails, because I still didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, but I just went in for it, you know? Like I said, I wanted to try this color out because this color is very, very pretty, and I've never done like a color like this. So I'm like, okay, maybe I should try this marble nail that I've been wanting to try just to see how well I do. And I can't wait for y'all to see the end results of these nails, because they turned out better than I ever imagined. But as y'all can see, I was trying to do like a little ombre towards like the cuticle. I probably should have used like a different tool, but I saw this kind of method on Instagram, I think, and I wanted to try it just to see how it works, but I didn't like it. So I end up just painting over everything and just making it one cohesive color instead of trying to like give it like that faded type of look towards like the cuticle area, as if it's like acrylic. Okay, so this was my initial attempt on a marble nail because I didn't know exactly what I was doing. So I'm putting some nail polish out on this little on this storage box things that I had got, and I'm kind of like mixing it together, but not really mixing it together, just kind of like swirling it around, and you know. And then I did put some base coat, but I don't think that helped much at all. And I probably should have, if anything, with the base coat, I probably should have put it on the nail first, like the first nail. On the other nails, y'all will see that I do apply a layer of base coat on it. But I should have definitely put base coat down on the first nail and then go in with the rest of the polish and kind of like swirl it around and stuff. And I'm sorry if this wasn't in frame. I tried to get it in frame as much as possible, but yeah, next time I swear I would do better. And as y'all can see, like that second nail, the marble was kind of like marbling, if you know. It was doing what it was supposed to do because I did apply that base coat down. So that's also crucial with doing a marble nail. You have to apply that base coat, because if you don't apply that base coat, then your marble, it won't spread. It'll just kind of like sit on top of the nail. It won't really do much. Like it'll just, I don't know, it just looks better if you apply that base coat and then go in on top of it. And for the middle finger, I did attempt a French tip, which I did later go in and change. I ended up adding rhinestones. I didn't put that in the video, unfortunately, but I do include pictures and videos of what that will look like. So yeah, I still like how this set came out. Basically I was just experimenting, and I actually love this set. I love that I experimented, and the end result just turned out amazing, honestly. I did start on the other hand while the other hand was still curing, and now that I know what to do, the marble came out a lot better on this hand. I kind of started seeing the vision at this point, so as y'all can see, y'all can't see too well because I probably had the brightness up a little too bright, but y'all can see just a little bit how that nail kind of just spread it out and just looked like a marble. But I also did like how that first one turned out because it wasn't really all over the nail, and I probably should have flash cured it when I was working on the marble instead of like trying to do it all at one time, because I think I let it spread out too much. So I did clean up the nail polish that I had, and I was going in with that second coat on that French tip and the two full colored nails, as y'all can see. So now that we're done polishing the nails, we're gonna move on to adding gold flakes to the nails, and I did add those to both of the marble nails on both hands. I just added those around the edges only, and to kind of like fill in that clear space a little bit so it wouldn't be as visible. Like, I still wanted some clear space, but I still I didn't necessarily want to show like where the color meets the clear, if that makes sense. Once I was done putting gold foil on my marble nails, I then went in with rhinestones and applied those to my thumb and my pinky, the full covered blue nails. After I've applied everything, I did go in with a base coat to kind of seal everything in. And then on top of that base coat, I went in with the final coat, a top coat, to give it that nice shine. I did go in and file the edges just a little bit. Well, not even file, I just buffed the edges just to give it that sharp look, just to like clean up any type of rough edges. And that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so y'all can be notified on when I post new videos. I will be posting more videos about my nail business and doing nail sets and just a lot of nail related content. So if you guys are interested in that type of content, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye.